Boys and girls, we have a very special guest today.
Hello there. Let's have some fun.
He actively involves your child with videos.
Oh, who's that?
It's PJ.
This is fun.
He interacts with your child on a PC to help him learn.
We're looking for a triangle.
Wow, that's the right shape. If you're happy and you know
He
it,
interacts
clap
with your
hands.
child.
Squeeze my middle toe to sing a song. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
The revolutionary Microsoft Actimates Interactive Barney has arrived.
Where did you go? There you are.
Remember the time when Barney and all his friends enjoyed blue skies, cool breezes, and high-flying fun with kites? Or how about the time when the whole gang swabbed the deck and set sail for that lush tropical paradise, Cocoa Island? Ah, the memories. They just get better and better with Barney. And now you can relive your favorite memories with a little help from our newest video, Barney's Musical Scrapbook.
Look, do you remember this?
It's page after page of pure purple fun, starring some of your all-time favorite friends. Come along for a stroll down memory lane with Barney, where you'll enjoy some of the best music and moments ever.
Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. And the green grass grows all around, and the green grass grows all around. Ta-ra-ra-boom-de-ay, 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 ta-ra-ra-boom-de-ay.
It's picture-perfect fun, guaranteed to make you giggle, wiggle, and put a smile on your face.
Here we go.
So gather all your friends
2, 3,
and flip through all the fun of Barney's Musical
Don't
Scrapbook.
forget the smile. And remember, I love you. Say cheese.
Now on home video from Lyric Studios.
It's the age-old dilemma.
I want to do something exciting, something different.
So you're looking for adventure.
Oh, I see. You're not looking for ordinary fun. You've kind of got an itch for something big.
Well, get ready to scratch that itch because
Adventure waits on the other side of this fence. And I am out of here!
adventure now comes with 4 legs and a tail. It's Wishbone, the little dog with the big imagination. And he's ready to leap into one of the biggest adventures of all time, Mark Twain's Tom Sawyer.
Come out if you're not afraid to face Tom Sawyer the pirate!
The furs are flying as Tom Sawyer and his trusty companion Huck Finn set out to have some good old-fashioned fun.
This is so exciting.
That's right, it's 2 back-to-back episodes. First, the fun never ends with Tom and Huck on Jackson Island.
I'm the captain and I say it's time to roll in the leaves!
Swing on back to Oakdale with Joe, David, Sam, and Wishbone as they go in search of the mysterious no-name grave. But the fun doesn't stop there, because Tom and Huck can't seem to stay out of trouble, like investigating their own mysterious graveyard. Chasing down all the bad guys, digging for treasure in haunted houses, and exploring old caves. Even with all this excitement, you'll be hungry for more. In one terrific video.
And now it's time for the Wishbone Floor Show.
Fetch your copy of A Tale in Twain from Lyric Studios.
She's by my side.
It's nice outside.
All right, concentrate. I met her in my pajamas.
In the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas.
In my pajamas.
All right, in my pajamas.
In the Bahamas.
first day of school, my teacher said, why don't you draw a picture for your parents? So I drew a picture of an alligator and I named him Terrence. When I gave that picture to my mom, she said, I love pink alligators. Then she bought some magnets and she put my picture on the refrigerator. And she said she put it there so that everyone would see how much she liked my picture and how proud she is of me. Now when the teacher asks me why a drawing takes so long, I say, 'cause it's a refrigerator picture for my mom. Refrigerator picture for my mom.
It's a beautiful day. Birds are chirping. The sun is shining. In fact, there's only one thing missing from this perfect day.
That's not my shadow.
I believe that's my shadow. Hi, everybody.
It's everyone's super-de-duper friend who's always ready to play. In the fun-filled Barney video, Good Day, Good Night.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun.
And just guess what Barney and all his friends want to do now.
I wish I could stay up all night long.
But it's hard to stay up all night. So Barney turns day into night in his very own special way.
This is my super-de-duper terrific night timer. It turns day into night. Oh, there's lots to do. Let's do it together.
And nighttime is the perfect time for a very purple pajama party. Get ready to laugh, sing, and dance your way through the night. And expect anything to happen. Because your special friend will be with you every step of the way.
Oops. Guess I didn't scare anybody, did I?
Mr. Sun,
It's a day and night of fun and games with one happy dinosaur and all of his great friends. So get your sun visor and your teddy bear. And don't forget your imagination. And get ready for a fun day's night with Barney's Good Day, Good Night.
Shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Now available on home video from Lyric Studios.